Hi everyone, my name is Faudy, and today I want to share my design approach for creating phonemic charts and visual aids for young learners in Dhivehi. This video is for fellow teachers and instructional designers looking to build effective language learning tools in Dhivehi. So let's get right into it. Um, so when I first tried to design a clear letter sound chart for Thana, the Dhivehi alphabet, I couldn't find one quite that fit for Ola, which is, consonant sounds and the diacritic sounds in an easier pattern way for the learner to understand. What I mean is, notice how the Dhivehi letters like Mimu and Lamu are in blue, while the diacritics or the vowel marks are Abafili and Ibifili are in red. This immediate color difference creates strong contrast, helping young learners instantly distinguish consonants from the vowels and decoding. We also use varied font sizes with key, Dhivehi, large and bold, as you can see from here. And when I go to the breakdowns, it's a bit smaller over there. For repetition, we have maintained a consistent blue and red color scheme throughout the chart, as you can see. The simple mouth diagrams illustrating sound production. You can see how the mouth's lips are laid out. So go m, and ah, as in the open mouth, ah, and then you combine it to go ma. With clear alignment and a proximity between the individual elements. What we're trying to do here is give the learner as less cluttered space for them to absorb and decode the meaning of the letter sound knowledge. Here on the right, we have a lot of elements that we have used. Here's a teacher's guide to creating phonemic charts, tools and kits and elements, where you can see all the consonants are in blue except for alif, which is a null consonant, which is carried by the diacritics as their base consonant, which is r. And then some contrasting color palettes that you could use, other cards. Which reminds me, one thing that we could improve from this design is this design over here on the left, where you could align everything to sort of center align to the middle. So so as mentioned earlier, my aim in sharing this approach is to provide a starting point for fellow educators in contexts like Dhivehi, where accessible, phonetically informed content is scarce, and I think sharing these could really truly benefit all of us that are intended on creating better learning experiences for young learners of the Dhivehi language.